Yo, what's up?
It's your boy.
Yo, way too much energy. It's your boy what?
Young Rod.
You fucked it up already.
What you mean?
You said he was gonna say
Nah,
yo.
I wasn't gonna say that shit the stupid way. This nigga Jorge thought I was about to say Young God, the Sauce Rod. But nah, y'all know it's your boy, it's your dad, it's your motherfucking father, Young Rod, the Sauce God. So pussy nigga.
I wish you had the camera set up.
Hey, shut your ass up. This ain't no jumper shit. Calm down. We chillin'.
No jumper who?
Huh?
No jumper who?
I ain't heard nothing.
Yeah. For them, but son, nah.
Alright, I'ma fuck with you.
That video funny as fuck.
Yeah.
But how you been?
You know, I've been.
Fuck you doing?
What you talking about? Me?
Yeah.
I dropped my wallet, but like, hey, let me collect my thoughts. So like, nah, but I just completed my first week of college my
First week of college, like he just started.
my first week of sophomore year. It was a blur. I don't remember anything, but like,
Why don't you
I
remember
enjoyed
anything?
myself. I was having fun and going to class.
Oh yeah, true scholarship.
Yeah, always. Nicotine.
That's it.
Everything. Bitch, everything.
Where's that from?
Huh?
Where's that from?
What?
Like that bitch everything.
Oh, it's from G Herbo song.
Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, I heard that. I don't know from where though.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we gonna talk about Alex Trebek from Jeopardy.
Hey. I saw a fucking meme. We gotta start this off lighthearted. But actually, first, this is a blessing to hear about. And, you know, I would like to say congratulations to him and his estate. And
You sound proper as fuck right now.
I'm just glad that he is still living among us right now.
Yeah, he beat us. Ugh.
Stage 4 pancreatic cancer.
There we go. I couldn't get the words out.
It's crazy, but like, it just fills me with joy that we're getting another season.
Season 36 of Jeopardy.
Fuck.
Bro, could you imagine how much money that show has to be racking in
That's
to
what I'm
be
saying.
running for 36 fucking seasons?
That's what I'm saying, because I'm like, usually niggas be like, hey, I'm going to get you a quick 2 or 3.
And then
Fuck up
done. Like, these game shows don't ever last. Where's The Price is Right? I ain't never seen that on TV. Like,
The price is right. You know what I'm saying?
that was awkward as hell, but it was funny.
Nah, it was only funny because I said price is right.
Yeah? Type shit.
Type shit. Type shit.
Yeah, but shout out to him for being that. All right.
It's really a blessing to my ears to hear that he's doing fine.
He a cool ass dude, you know. Very progressive person and shit.
ASMR shit, type shit.
Yeah, he was drinking some water.
Yeah, yes, sir. Some water.
So what meme was he talking about?
Oh, on his... Yeah,
Because he said, hold up, I found the meme.
I got you.
He is now on Twitter looking for the meme.
It said Grim Reaper is like, you're gonna die. Alex Trebek, ooh, sorry, you gotta answer in the form of a question. Yeah, that's some shit that just hit.
That man Alex Trebek beat death.
That's what I'm saying. He was like, Huss! You remember that shit, Jorge?
Yeah.
Huss! Yeah. Just, there's no cameras, so y'all can't really see that, but I'm just...
We'll have
my
that coming
boxing
like
stance.
next year or something.
That's my boxing stance. That's me shadow boxing and shit.
But like, yeah, when you get to Usin, that's when you know that like it's
It's
real.
gonna be like, and when you loud as shit, niggas be like,
Like they know that you gotta fight. Like
yeah, you gonna have that punch power. We sound stupid as shit. But like,
just know if you hear someone Usin while they fight, you better get the fuck away from their run.
because they about to be like,
They better bust your ass open.
she saw me earlier. I was knocking necks, nigga.
Yeah,
Some quick joints.
he was knocking next, bro.
It was quick. She was telling me to stop and shit. She was like, whoa. Yeah, you was like, yeah, you were like, oh, stop that shit. You said stop that shit.
Damn.
And I was like, I can't do it right now.
She didn't want you fighting in the streets, bro.
Nigga, we was in the house. Nigga, we was on the deck. I was just outside. I'm not about to do it right now.
He was us and them bugs, bro.
I was just
He
angry.
really said, "Fuck them bugs."
I was angry. I was just thinking about fighting. I was angry.
It's a little stick bug that was trying to.
Bro, there was a stick bug, and I was like,
He said stick bug.
because it was a stick. You don't know what a stick bug is?
Yes, bro. Them just be skinny as fuck.
Yeah, I was like, yo. I was about to knock that nigga.
That man was dancing and shit. Like
he was like.
he was
He was
sweating.
dancing like he was dancing like a boss in a fucking like one of them old games. Them fighting games like doom.
Yeah, they got to swaying side to side and shit. Like
Yeah, I was about to knock that nigga head off his shoulders. So.
they got shoulders, bro. How they got shoulders if they're a stick? Think about that.
Bro, they just right here.
They don't even got necks.
Bro, if it's a stick, the whole thing
That
is a neck,
motherfucker don't
nigga.
got no neck. He don't got
The
no
whole
shoulders.
thing is a neck, bro. Bro, it did have shoulders, bro, because it was standing like this. It was literally like
For real?
this. Yes.
But that's not like, think
that.
about it. Your shoulders are like a separate joint from your like arms, though. So if
I
you
don't know.
really
Them
think about
shits
it,
look like shoulders.
like they in your torso type shit.
Them shits look like fucking shoulders, bro. I'm telling you.
So like what if you're trying to get his like? Never mind. Let me shut the fuck up. I was gonna say some dumb shit.
What was you
I
about
was
to say?
gonna say, what if they motherfuckers trying to get their like shoulder muscles up, right? Like how the fuck you gonna do? Like you're not gonna see that shit.
They're gonna be like,
Damn.
hey, that shit geeks. Yo,
How the fuck my phone just go from 7% to 1%? I am geeked.
put that shit on the charger or something.
Ain't no charger. I'm fucked. I'm just gonna charge it when I'm in the car or something.
Alright, I'm gonna fuck with you.
That
Hey, I need to stop saying that shit. But,
video
like,
just too funny. If y'all haven't seen the video, the kid that says I'm gonna fucks with you, that shit's just hilarious.
we was only on the first topic.
The first topic was Alex Trebek.
Then what the fuck was we just talking about? We was talking about a stick bug and
Yeah,
fighting
we
and
just
shit.
got to talk about some random shit.
We went everywhere, bruh.
Alright, so we gonna talk about this hurricane that's coming up. Hurricane Dorian. First of all, what kind of fucking name is that?
They named that man like a nigga. Named him like a nigga. Some crazy shit. Named him like a nicotine fiend named Dorian.
Is that the only nicotine fiend you know?
A few.
Yeah. You need to quit, bro. Yeah.
Nah.
Come on.
We out here being nicotine fiends. Since we don't have cameras, I'm gonna describe the action that's going on right now. So, young Rat the Sauce guy is fighting with his girlfriend right now for a Jewel look-alike. It's not even an actual Jewel, that's the sad part.
Fake you is a fool.
She said it's a fool. The fuck's a fool? I never heard that in my life.
I don't know, but that shit hits way better than the Jewel. Everybody at Stevenson love that shit.
For
Just my friends, they'd be like, nigga, that's the Jewel 5.0.
5.0.
Yeah, they be just like, that shit
5.0.
sleek. They be like,
Bye-bye.
that's sleek,
He
smooth.
said 5.0 revision 2.0.
They be like, this Jewel feel like a lunchbox, nigga. Let me get one of them.
A lunchbox, my
I
G?
put 2 of my men's onto them shits, yo. They copped them shits immediately. They copped them shits and got them mixed berry pods. They was like,
Remember that nasty ass tobacco shit you
I
had?
still got it.
That shit tastes like cinnamon to me. That ass. When y'all talking about some tobacco, I don't know what the fuck y'all talking about. That
It
shit.
tastes like Virginia tobacco and fucking cinnamon.
Yeah.
It was just some nasty ass shit. Yeah, but nicotine be giving niggas seizures out here.
Yeah.
Niggas
I had a.
Yo, that's fucked up. Yo, that's fucked
I
up.
had a friend's brother who
Like,
like.
I'm sorry for that. Hey, chill.
I had a
Chill before
friend's
you tell this story. I'm sorry for that, but like, I'm fucked up. You know, this is what's popping. Y'all know what we say
Y'all know
on
we
this
keeping
show.
it real,
Y'all
so
know we
either,
keep it real out here.
like
We
deal
just-
with it or get the fuck.
That's what I'm saying.
But yo, I had a friend's brother who had a whole seizure from like drooling and shit. Mance was like 19 years old.
That's what I'm saying. These kids, they just get to getting on them and they just be.
Yeah, that's why.
smoking that
That's
shit.
why the people today need to stop.
Yeah, but like it's kind
Right, Anna?
You know what?
it's kind of tough though.
Kidding.
This shit's kind of tough. But like real life, just smoke trees. I don't, but like
Just yeah.
Okay.
Like if you want to smoke some, if you want some in your lungs, just go smoke the tree.
yeah. So like, weed.
Yeah. I mean, it's like best case scenario.
That's what I'm saying. If that's good for you, you can do that. But
But anyway,
I live my life,
Hurricane Dorian.
bro.
Florida's about to get murked. That's all I'm saying. Like
yo,
y'all are
Florida-
leaving.
Florida State going through it, bro.
See, here's the thing with Florida. It's like they're a whole other country, bro. Like if you think about it, Florida is like the Australia of America.
They're going, bro. Florida always goes through it with these fucking hurricanes. They just
But it's because they crack.
get
They're like
smacked.
they're like the crackhead state.
Yeah, crackheads be summoning fucking hurricanes. They be like, hey, they be,
Nope.
hey, timestamp that. Timestamp that, bro. You gotta get that shit the fuck up out of there.
For real?
Yeah, I said some fuck shit.
What did you even say?
It was a noise I made, bro.
Alright.
That was some fuck shit. But keep this in, cause niggas gonna be like, hey, what the fuck they talking about?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So like, honestly, I just feel bad for Florida because it's like, why are the crackheads summoning these hurricanes? Like they got their dual discs out there, like summon beast wind hurricane.
Some Yu-Gi-Oh shit. I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh when I was a kid, bruh.
That nigga Yugi is in fucking Jump Force.
I know. He be summoning motherfuckers.
You be playing that shit?
Nah, but like Yu-Gi-Oh used to play Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yeah.
That shit was kind of
I got
tough.
hella Yu-Gi-Oh cards. You want some?
I'm good now.
Bro, I got hella of them bitches. I need to get rid of them. I might sell my. I
Hey,
got like
sell
two.
them, Jonas. You
Bro,
like-
I got 2 Blue Eyes White Dragons.
Oh nah.
Wait, you could sell them for a good bag?
Yes, bro. Like Blue Eyes White Dragon. If you got like the OG, then it'll be on for like $30 each. That's if you
Only 30?
okay, but if you think about it, like all them cards you can sell, you can make like
I do have like a Horus and shit like
a
that.
horse be selling for like that's an OG card too. That's like
Horus?
Gen 1.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you when. I'm gonna fuck with you after this shit. Nah, let me. Hey, but like, hey, I'm gonna go get them Yu-Gi-Oh cards after this shit. Hey, thank you to the podcast for sparking my once dead love for Yu-Gi-Oh. You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
And,
you
like,
was the
relax.
shit when I was a kid, bro.
And I'm about to sell them cards and make some fucking bread.
I used to have a little duel with this toy when I was
Can
a
you
kid.
sell Pokemon cards too?
Nah.
You can't.
Oh yeah, you can. What am I talking about? You can sell any type of card.
Hey, I'm about to make some bank off these Yu-Gi-Ohs.
And off these Pokemons.
Nah, I might not sell them Pokemon cards. I got a lot.
For
I fuck with them.
but you don't fuck with the Yu-Gi-Oh cards?
Nah, I fuck with the Yu-Gi-Oh cards hard. Like, they look tough. They like, there's some OG shits. I got them. Yo, my neighbor was having a garage sale. I don't know if I paid for them. I don't know what I
He
did.
said, I don't know if I just jacked them. Like we
But yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I got them. I fucked with them.
remember them Egyptian god cards, bro?
I think I have some.
Bruh, I used to have all 3 OG home joints,
Mm-hmm.
bruh. But I have my shit in Honduras, bruh. I need to get that shit shipped out here so I can sell them bitches.
So how much did it sell for? Like 100?
It just depends on what you got.
Shit. You said you got all of them.
I got the 3 Egyptian
Oh,
god
3
cards.
Egyptian god cards?
I got the 3 of them.
How much you think they sell for?
Shit, like 100 type shit.
You lying, nigga.
I
That
don't
shit's-
know. I'm gonna
This is-
Google it later. Cause I just know that these cards sell for a lot if you get like the OG like prints of them. Cause they don't make them shits like that anymore. So people be like paying bag for that shit.
Niggas these days be loving Yu-Gi-Oh cards. You remember in the movie when they was buying the fucking card from that little card game and that nigga was a pedophile?
Yeah, shit was crazy. How did we get from talking about a hurricane to fucking Yu-Gi-Oh card?
Because Yugi was calling in the hurricanes, nigga. But like,
Oh,
honestly,
yeah.
I just don't want that shit to smack Maryland, bro.
Nah, we good. Maryland.
That shit gonna uppercut Maryland in the chest.
Maryland don't get nothing, bro. We bored out here. We can't even get a hurricane to make this shit exciting. This shit is just too boring.
Can I get a little bit of precipitation?
We can't get shit. We don't have shit on Maryland to like get excited over. We can't even get a hurricane to fucking get scared about. Like that's the sad part about Maryland. We're just here, bro. Like,
Bro,
fuck Maryland.
that shit just need to clean my car.
What? Oh, facts. Bro, I need to go get a car wash and I keep putting it off. I was gonna go do it this week, but then I got sick as shit.
Yeah.
Motherfuckers caught Ebola out here.
Yeah, that nigga real life had Ebola. That nigga started eating like bush meat and shit.
I haven't heard the
I
worst.
show you that bush meat documentary.
Yes.
I did.
Yes. This shit is funny.
They was eating bush meat and getting Ebola, bro. I swear to God.
There was like, but yeah, with the hurricane, apparently
They
our
fucking bat meat. I'm dead ass.
that's just funny to me for no reason. But with the hurricane, our dear old president Donald Trump wants to solve the crisis of the hurricane, so he has proposed a solution of nuking the hurricane. The
Nigga
president.
wants to. I'm not even calling him the president. That nigga wants to waste fucking military money that he already fucked up. What did he take?
He took like tens of millions out to build a fucking wall.
Yeah. I don't know if it was like from actual military funding because I heard that it was.
It was both military fundings and then the
Pentagon.
natural resources.
Oh, I thought it was like Pentagon shit.
Nah.
But like, yo, they fucking. He's gonna take. He already took money from there. Now he's gonna spend more money just to waste a nuke on a fucking hurricane. Nigga, is this Sharknado?
The
Bro, this
leader
is-
of
bro,
one of
bro,
the most powerful nations wants to.
This doesn't sound like fucking. This doesn't sound like real life shit, bro. This is some movie shit.
Like, just keep this in mind. The leader of one of the biggest and most powerful nations.
I'm telling you.
Damn, people really be out here addicted on their phones, huh?
Chill. Chill. But look,
She puts it down.
Watching a video.
that's how it be. But like, chill, yo.
No, but anyway, the leader of one of the most powerful nations in the fucking world decides that he suddenly wants to solve a crisis by nuking it. Damn.
That shit is fucking stupid, bruh. What you Googling?
This one just jumped up. That was
I
the
know what the
funniest
fuck
shit
is
I've ever
going
seen in
on.
my life.
I got kicked in my shit.
Anyway, keep going.
I got kicked in my shit and it hurt. But like, what I'm saying is, what the fuck is sending a nuke into a fucking hurricane gonna do?
Make it worse.
That's some stupid shit, yo.
This man's just trying to get rid of Florida. I think that's what he's trying to do. He's to fuck the
Nigga Trump
crackheads.
said, yo, fuck Florida.
He said that'd be causing way too much problems.
Hurricane is wind and water, right?
Yeah,
So the nuke is gonna spark fires, right?
yeah.
And all it's gonna do is like go out, right?
Damn. This man Trump's stupid.
The fire's just gonna go out.
Yeah.
It's just
But
gonna
if you
be,
think about it, the nukes made of chemicals.
it's just gonna be radioactive water, bro.
Yeah. So he
He's about to mutate Nick. Yo,
he really about to make the
about to
X-Men.
be mutated niggas in Florida.
He really about to make the X-Men become a
Bro,
reality.
Florida's about to get way worse, bro. Yo, niggas be on bath salts in Florida. A mutant on bath salts, nigga?
He said bath salt. What's a bath salt?
You don't know what bath salts are?
No.
They're the drugs that niggas be eating niggas' faces off on.
What?
You've never heard about them shits
No.
in the news? Oh my god, bro. Bath salts, bro. Niggas like, I think they was like fucking smoking bath salts or like snorting that shit. And like, yo, they just fucking
Florida people really out here be making new
niggas
types of
feel as if
drugs.
They're invincible and shit. And they like, I've seen this videos on YouTube. Niggas off fucking bath salts was getting shot by cops.
People
Because they
like
thought they were zombies and they just kept running.
Florida people really be out here doing whatever.
Oh, bro.
Like,
That's also shit.
if you're from Florida, I hope you take full offense to this too.
Still fuck with us though.
So no, I'm just playing, but yo, she's trying to steal your wallet. She's like, give me money.
You be stealing. I ain't gonna-
Stealing what?
We not gonna talk about that.
What did I steal?
His heart.
Aw.
I got you.
That and some other shit.
You ruined it.
Nothing. We can address that after.
Okay.
Damn. Anyway, let's talk about the average cost of a date in the United States of America.
Bro, in fucking Maryland, that shit said $209.
Let me see if my phone won't die when I open this shit. The fuck did I just open Instagram for? Okay. Bro, my phone's tweaking.
What happened, bro?
That shit was just tweaking. But apparently the average cost of a date in Maryland is $209.33. Which is crazy because you'd think California would be like the really expensive one, but it's New York that's more expensive.
How much is New York?
$297.
Damn, how much is LA?
Or, well, California says $226.35.
Why is Maryland so expensive?
I don't know.
Maryland must be low-key top.
No. That's a good one. Yo, we gotta chill out with this. I don't think that's, like, accurate.
What you mean?
$200 on a date, though?
Yeah, that is true. That's definitely paying for pussy.
So you wouldn't spend $200 on a date, Brent?
200.
Yeah.
If it's a good night.
Fuck it. That's fact.
200 if it's a good night. Nah, like 150. It ain't 200, bro.
Nah, yeah, I was about to say.
150 is a stretch too. Cause I just be like, yo, nigga.
Yeah, if you go to Top Golf.
In a restaurant, I can't even take my shirt off, nigga. Come on. I be trying to eat with my shirt off and shit. Like, fuck that. I could just make a grilled cheese, take my shirt off, and chill.
Facts. I don't know. If you're paying $200 for a date in Maryland, I'm sorry, but you tweaking. Like,
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, if I'm paying $200, they better let me just walk around naked like it's my house.
they best be feeding me like choo-choo train type shit. Cause I am paying $200. The only reason why I pay $200 is for fucking service, bitch. Not for the food. Fuck that. I can cook.
Niggas gotta bring you hot towels and shit.
Yes, motherfuckers better be giving me massages and shit. Give me a fucking Versace robe to wear, looking like Hugh Hefner and shit. But otherwise, I am paying $200 for shit.
Them niggas, they put you in a bathtub and sprinkle Epsom salt in that motherfucker.
Yes, motherfucker.
They start scrubbing your feet and shit.
Best be giving me a full fucking spa treatment for $200.
Yo, that's some
better
hoe
be-
shit.
Huh?
That's some hoe shit. 200 for a date.
Never. Most I've spent is like 130, 140, some shit like that.
That's a good ass budget.
But like 200?
Nah, I have to punch like a bear or something.
And how how people in New York spending basically $300? Like I get it's expensive over there, but it's not that expensive. For $300, I better bleep this out. Yo, I gotta chill. For $300, it better be
Nope.
type shit. Because I'm not paying $300 out of my fucking like bank account for that.
That nigga said, this nigga Jorge said they better be spitting on my
Nope.
that shit. That's fucking crazy. Okay, sir.
It's true, bro. Like, you're telling me you would pay $300 for a fucking date?
$300?
Mm-hmm.
If I'm paying $300, you better guarantee let me eat your ass or something. Like on some grown man shit. Like
Also, he said, I'm trying to get this beard in.
on some 35-year-old man. I'm down with the brown, you know. Hey, let me chill.
That's nasty, bro. I was having a conversation with a friend the other day about how like baby wipes are like a must.
Yeah.
Cause like your ass is not clean unless you use baby wipes, and she tried to tell me that it wasn't necessary.
Who?
Chloe.
Oh, fuck no.
I was like, bro, you got a dirty ass. Like that's nasty. Like
She do got a dirty ass. I'm just saying, if you don't wipe your shit with the disinfectant,
Like, bro.
washable wipes.
I swear to God, when I get my apartment, I'm getting up a day in that bitch because like it's just like not happening.
And then in an apartment, you're about to pay to switch out the toilet.
No, you can just get one of them
Like the ones on just the bidet seat,
yeah, like where you just like put that shit in.
like the little clip.
Yeah.
That shit gonna spray that shit in your ass. That's wild.
So I'm on a clean ass.
I might get one for my dorm room. I'm not gonna lie.
Cause like
Just keep it in my room. Don't let nobody
yes,
else
bro.
use it.
Cause motherfuckers be fucking like walking out there with dirty ass, stinking like shit. Like that's what some of y'all motherfuckers be stinking, cause y'all don't work correctly. I couldn't even tell with a straight face.
Bro, that's why I fucking look. I never take a shit after I take a shower, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. You can't.
Always, if I feel like I take a shit, I hop out the shower and go take a shit, and
Hop back in the shower. Nah, bro. If you feel like you need to take a shit after a shower, you just hold it. Like at that point, you're fucked.
For real?
Hey, it'll go. Type shit. If not, then you just gotta take a whole other shower.
Nah, I just want my asshole to be clean. Like, you gotta have a squeaky clean, you know?
Yeah. Hygiene. Some of y'all motherfuckers need to learn that shit. We really got from talking about dates to talking about clean assholes.
Niggas, hey, some of these motherfuckers out here be smelling like fucking earring backs and shit. They smell like Badussi.
But does he? Shut up, Mike Corey.
Niggas smelling like butt, dick,
And pussy. He talking about them Badussi trees, and it's funny because fall's about to come soon, and y'all gonna find out what them Badussi trees smell like.
Like Badussi.
Yeah. It's just like straight up.
Straight up, like shit, type shit. You know?
Hey, how do you feel about there being a straight pride parade?
Honestly, straight niggas coming back to fuck shit up again. Like, I get it, but like, I feel like niggas only really started coming up with this bullshit when gay people were trying to have their pride and all the LGBTQ pride shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I'm like, I get it. It's prideful. Like, yeah, I'm straight, bro. Like, that's tough.
I just
But, like,
don't see the need for like having that shit.
Yeah, I'm like,
What are you proving?
that's what I'm saying. Like, you're not. Like, this is a cause that's portrayed in almost every fucking romance movie, and everything that shows a fucking modern family, a husband and a wife. Like, this isn't some
Let the
shit.
minorities have their fucking like things.
Like, this isn't like, it's not an issue. This isn't something that we're trying to make a norm. Like,
Facts.
This is just some shit that has always been normalized. It's always been forced upon people's kids. Like, I'm just like, yo, let them niggas have they shine.
Like for the reason that this should even exist is for them to like be able to advocate for themselves and for their own fucking rights and like normalizing what is their like, you know, their way of living. Meanwhile, y'all are over here trying to just fucking run that shit over with a fucking car. Like shit, I don't even know what the fuck I'm
Yeah,
saying.
they did. Nah, I don't know if it was that type. Or, because I remember somebody rammed a car.
Oh yeah, somebody did remember car one of the fucking LGBTQ parade thingies. Probably whatever they're called, pride parades. Yeah. Fucking fiend. You see how sneaky she was? She didn't even fucking say shit. She just went.
She's
said-
a fucking issue.
Why'd you look down, look at me automatically? Like it could have been more hate.
The fuck I'm reaching for a, the fuck I'm reaching for a, what did you call it? Fool? I only vape CBD out here. That's it.
Where's your Nord?
Not on me.
Damn. I wanna get some CBD.
My bad, bro. I need to change the coil, but I've had Ebola for like the past 5 days, so
Oh yeah, I'm not trying to catch that.
yeah. Well, I didn't even hit it. I haven't hit it since the day that we went to the beach.
For real?
Yeah. Cause I lost it in his car at that point, and then when I got it back, for some reason the fucking like juice leaked out of it.
Dope.
So I wasn't even about to fucking hit it anyway, cause at that point there's no juice in it.
I just crushed some fucking chips.
I saw. So at that point I'm like, fuck it, I don't even want to like hit it. So I just like set it in my room and haven't touched it since.
Yeah.
Fuck, we talking about
Vapes.
vapes and shit. Yeah, so like,
But
the
anyway,
vape, spit the vape, cop the vape, whatever. Fuck it.
I think we need to make a movement about throwing Jules away.
Yeah, cause niggas be fiends out here.
Yeah. Did you just crack her back?
Yes.
That shit made me flinch.
Niggas like, whoa.
Yeah, I was literally like, when she got on, like, what?
Nigga was like, whoa, watch out, backbone coming my way.
Can you imagine if somebody cracked their back in a movie and then that shit just flies the fuck, like the spine just flies the fuck out of their fucking like thing and just hits you?
That's fucking nasty.
Some movie shit. Yeah, Mr. dropped his phone.
Hey, shut your ass up, fucker.
But yeah. Twitter lately been getting too fucked up. What the fuck was that?
What?
You moved real. Yeah, that.
You talking about that?
Yeah.
Oh, I had a little bit of chip on my teeth and shit. I had to get it off. So I've been feasting on them after chips.
Did you say after chips?
Yeah.
This man is some nut shit.
It's the chips that are left after you eat them. After chips.
After chips.
That's just right.
Yeah, but Twitter been a little bit too fucked up lately with people getting hacked.
Nah, bro.
The CEO of Twitter got hacked.
Nah, bro. Wait a second. Yesterday, I saw this video on Twitter of this girl. Like, it was this shitty ass filmed video, but it was like this girl's body in the woods, right? It was just her head and her lungs.
Oh,
You saw that
I'm
shit?
about to. Well, my phone's better than I'm about to find that shit real quick.
You saw that shit?
Yes, I saw it this morning.
You think it's fake?
No.
You think it's real?
It's like, nah, it probably is fake. That shit definitely looks CG.
That shit look nasty as.
I'm trying to think about who was the person who retweeted into my timeline because I went back specifically to see who it was because I wanted to block them after that.
That shit was just, I was like, nigga, why am I seeing this? And I wasn't even scared or shocked because I've seen stupid shit like that on Twitter, and I was just like, damn.
But, like, anyway, people just been getting hacked lately. Like, we got the CEO of Twitter who got hacked not that
You
long.
talking about that nigga Jack?
Yeah, at Jack on
That
Twitter.
nigga got fucking hacked. He's sick.
Like, man's just got destroyed. He was streaming off some Nazi shit and shit, and people thought
For
he was
real?
yeah, people thought he was actually being serious. Same thing happened to like Shane Dawson not too long ago. Happened to
Oh, when Shane Dawson was saying that racist shit?
yeah, everybody been getting hacked on Twitter. James Charles got hacked on Twitter. Talking about James Charles.
Wait, what happened?
Side topic. That man posted his own booty pics on Twitter.
Oh, fuck
I
no.
keep that.
You got Twitter?
No, but I keep that.
That shit was everyone on like the internet, but like people was reposting it on Instagram type shit. But
I
like
kind of don't want to see that nigga.
you don't, you don't.
I know.
I want to gouge my eyes.
I have to look at that shit.
She said, "Yo, let me look at these cheeks."
I'm good.
Hey, yo, look real quick.
I'm good, bro.
I already saw shit once. Cool it.
I'm good off that nasty shit. Like, that's
Yo,
cool, but that ain't for me.
who the fuck told James Charles to go post his bare ass naked ass on the
He
fucking?
did it because somebody said that they were gonna expose him. So he was like, "Fuck it, I'm just gonna expose myself."
He on some Bella Thorne shit.
Yo, who's gonna expose? Who really has the time in the day to expose James Charles? Like the fuck you doing?
That nigga making moves. What you mean?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Like, who really wants to fuck with him? Like,
That is true.
that man does not have any enemies besides that one bitch who tried to promote her vitamins and she ended up getting fucked.
Hey, what the fuck was her name?
I don't even remember. That's how fucking irrelevant she is.
Them
Was
fish
it like
making
Tati
out.
or some shit like that?
Yeah, it was Tati.
Yeah, them fish is fucking.
Eat my
Yo,
ass.
he eating ass.
That's what I'm saying. Them fish just be eating ass on some fuck shit.
Damn, that's crazy.
What, nigga?
Fish is really out here eating ass.
Yeah, they do eat ass. I ain't even gonna hold you.
Damn.
What, nigga?
I don't know. I just had to think about that for a second.
You was thinking about fish eating ass?
No, I was like, how is that even possible?
Damn!
What the fuck? Yo, oh no, homie got pissed. He on some speed racer shit. Yo, why you got Hogwarts in your fucking fish tank?
What you mean? That shit's hard.
You got Hogwarts in there, bro? You got Harry Potter.
Bro, they fuck with that. Fish fuck with that shit, yo. I'm telling you, they fuck with it.
That's dead ass Hogwarts, bro. Like, I'm not even playing. That actually looks like the fucking, like, Harry Potter shit.
Is that Hogwarts?
I'm pretty sure. Like, it looks smack like it, bro.
My dad got that shit from a fucking, like, pet store.
Damn, they're really selling Hogwarts in the fucking pet store. PetSmart, shout out to PetSmart.
Yeah, bro, we realized just got this tank from some random nigga's house. It was heavy as shit. He gave us the whole thing, like the fucking wood under and everything. It was just
Bro,
tough.
imagine if you'd have to fucking drain that shit out.
Yeah, that shit would fucking suck. But we've got like this thing that like sucks up water. I forgot what it was called. You know what I'm talking about? The shop vacuum.
Yeah. That shit would suck.
Yeah, that's hella water, bro. That's 250 gallons.
You play, bro, you know how like heavy water is? Like, I didn't realize that till like I took like chemistry. But water is hella heavy, bro.
So you think you could pick that up?
Fucks no. Die.
250
Fuck
gallons.
no. Die.
That's hella water, bro.
Bro. I'm about to Google.
Yo, bruh, how much? What are you looking up?
How many pounds that is? Okay, so think about this. 1 gallon of water equals to 8 pounds.
All right, so look up 250 gallons converted to. You coughing like fuck? You what was you doing? Smoking a jack?
Nah, that's 2,086 pounds of water. That's 2 tons, I think. Right? No, I'm tweaking. How much is a ton?
Isn't a ton like 2,000 or something?
Yeah, so it is 1 ton.
It's 1 ton.
Yeah, this is 1 ton.
Damn.
You think you can pick that shit up, bro?
Fuck no, nigga. That shit was 2,800 pounds.
2,086.
Oh, only 2,086.
Only.
Because when I thought you said 2,800, but like still, that's heavy as fuck.
That's 2 tons.
2,000 pounds.
That's 2 tons.
You gotta be a big man to carry that motherfucker. Just, huh! Like I seen niggas do that on some Arnold Schwarzenegger show. Like I was really into like bodybuilding and shit, right?
Yeah.
These niggas they was like fucking lifting logs and shit. I was like, damn, one day.
You better be lifting like that, bro.
Fuck no, I ain't trying to lift no damn log, nigga.
You better
Who do you
heavy.
think I am? Who the fuck you think I am? Fucking. What is that nigga? You remember that nigga, the fucking lumberjack?
Yes.
Abe. What's his name? Abe and nah. You know his fucking his little. I can't think of it. That blue axe named Babe and fucking.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. I can't remember the motherfucker's name though.
That's what I'm saying. He was like a giant though.
I don't know. All I can think about
He's
now
a
is
lumberjack.
Leroy Jenkins.
Leroy Jenkins. That's it.
I have never met nobody named Leroy, and I hope it stays that way, bro.
That's what I'm saying. If you meet a nigga named Leroy, that's probably the last nigga you will ever meet.
that man better have some fucking black Air Forces on type shit.
That nigga finna stomp you into the dirt in his overalls.
He is about to kill you. You are dead. You are deceased.
He's gonna be like, holla, brother, my name is Leroy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I was about to say E-Jack. Yeah. That shit
I
geek.
cannot. I don't know what the fuck we've been talking about this whole podcast.
Hey, but this shit just strikes.
We really just been rambling on.
How far are we in?
40 minutes.
That shit geeks, nigga. That's funny as fuck. All right. Let's get back on topic.
All right, on some more serious shit. we send our condolences to the people who just went through the shooting in Odessa, Texas. Is that what
What did you say?
Odessa?
We send our what is lenses?
Condolences.
Condolences?
I don't know how to fucking speak. I'm Hispanic.
Yeah.
I speak Spanish type shit.
Said. Yo, that's crazy. Yeah, but our finest condolences to
I don't
the
fucking speak
families
English
and
like
victims
shit.
in the
I speak Spanish.
The Odessa Midland shooting, I think.
Huh?
Was it Odessa Midland?
No, it was Odessa, Texas, my G.
No, Odessa Midland,
I
Texas.
don't know. I just heard Odessa. That's it.
Well, Odessa Midland, Texas. So like, this is another fucking example. It's been like a good has it been like 2 months of shootings, bruh?
Yeah, it's been 2 months. It's been like a whole fucking year at this
Yeah,
point.
but like, just constant like niggas, and they blame it on the fucking games. Blame it on the games.
Yo,
And
I
it's
just
like,
can't believe these fucking Republicans come on there to talk about how it's fucking Call of Duty's fault. Like, you see
just
me
like-
out here, like, I didn't just fucking play Call of Duty, like, basically my whole childhood, and now suddenly I
That's what
want
I'm saying. I played Call of Duty my whole childhood, bro. You think I'm out here sniping niggas? No, I'm
No.
chilling. I'm going to class, nigga.
like, I'm getting my degree and shit. I'm not.
Going to class, smelling the grass, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That shit smell like ass, nigga. That shit funny.
Yeah, but, it's just sad, bro. Like, people gotta do something about mental health.
Real live. Niggas just be fucked, and like you be putting you just be putting them guns around your little kids, and they just be getting they ass whooped at school. I'm like, yo. And this is not the means to the end. This is just the means to the end of your life for real. Cause it's like, if the cops pull up, they not, yo. You either go into like death row for killing them kids. You either just you gonna get a lot of life sentences, or them niggas just they gonna shoot you on the spot.
Like, it's just sad, bro. Like, this shit should not be happening here of all places.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, yo.
Like, just
Why are
keep
these
this in
weapons
mind,
out?
bro. I got out for a third world country where this shit was daily, bro. I hadn't seen this shit happen in years. Next thing I know, every day on the news is about somebody else getting murked.
That's what I'm saying.
Like, I should not be
murking
getting
up
out of a fucking
schools,
third
man.
world country where everybody's getting murdered every day just to come here and then figure out later that everybody's also getting murked over here. Like, this is not what's supposed to happen.
Yeah, and that shit was scary when like junior year that shit started happening, and we went into senior year, and we were just like, fuck.
Yeah, because that shit started happening when we were still in high school. Like, that shit is weird.
I was like, fuck.
And I had like a school that about like 40 minutes away from us got shot up.
Yeah,
Great
fucking
Mills?
Great Mills. Yeah, that shit was wild. Nigga realized shot his girlfriend in the fucking head
Like,
with a Glock. That shit's
and
crazy.
he was literally just mentally fucked.
Yeah, that shit's fucking crazy. Like that, like.
Like, I honestly don't care what side people are on within like the whole like mental health versus like just gun control shit. Just something needs to be done.
Yeah, some shit needs to be done because even though like it's probably like all these kids aren't like a lot of them aren't really buying guns. Like their parents.
It's their like it just depends. Like apparently the kid, not this one, but the one before that, the kid but the gun. But
He
like
bought that shit.
yeah, but they failed to do a whole bunch of background checks on him. Like they
Yeah.
didn't do them when they were supposed to.
Yeah.
So just regulations about everything just need to be fucking made, bro. It's ridiculous. You're not doing background checks to buy a fucking gun. Like, you're basically fucking everybody over.
Yeah, that is true because you're having a licensed weapon out to somebody who shouldn't have a license.
And you're destroying businesses. On top of that, you're destroying lives.
That's what I'm saying. Like, there's families out here, and I read that there were victims, and it's like those are families that you're impacting. Those are moms and dads that are losing their kids, and it's just like you could have prevented that. Just
Or
even
like-
though this isn't the same situation, it's still like
I
could
mean,
be
it
prevented.
applies. Either way, if people are just getting fucking, like, killed in schools, you're getting... Like, it's mainly schools if you really think about it.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it happens out in public and shit, but... Like, for example, this one wasn't in school, but, like, still, like... It's still sad that it happens, nonetheless, and people just need to, like, make regulations to make, like... Overall, everything just stricter if it's just gonna keep happening.
Yeah.
Yeah. On the lighter note, to end the podcast, though, we're going to talk about this Joker movie that's about to come out from the DCU. It's a prequel movie for Joker. Thank Damn, I'm really fucking like Ebola.
Coffee. Yeah.
I should take my medicine when I get home.
Like, this shit is expected to be fucking a world builder, like a... It's supposed to be like a world builder for Joker to, like, show what that nigga came from. But it's like... I watched that final trailer, like, a few minutes before we started this podcast, and I think that shit... I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I fucked with Joaquin Phoenix's Joker. I fucked with, like, how everything started to be, but, like... I think that shit might be bad.
I think that if they do the story right, it'll be good.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They do the story right. I just don't see any, like, gory stuff. I just see that nigga just being, like, a clown-ass nigga. Like...
I just hope what they showed in the trailer is not the full, like, thing for the movie. You know what I'm saying?
There's, like...
Because I see the story, like, one of the stories that they're trying to, like, follow through is the one where he was, like, a comedian and shit, and then he, like... randomly gets like into some criminal job and then he falls into the acid thing and then something happens or whatever. I hope that they do the full thing and not just make it seem like he just suddenly went insane because people let him fuck with him.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's just like...
Because that's what the trailer showed is the fact that like people just weren't fucking with him, so he just started going insane slowly because people weren't fucking with his comedy. That's whack as fuck. Have him fall into something like they did in the comics.
That's what I'm saying, because I'm like, I just want it to... I don't want them to waste this rated R.
Facts.
Like, they said they got a hard R rating. Like, I want them to, like, I want to see niggas get, like, bow! Like, yo, I want the Joker to kill niggas and do some wild shit.
I just remember that I saw a tweet about that hard R rating.
They said it in the movie Joker was gonna...
No, it was like... the original tweet was like, they got a hard R rating, and somebody quoted it, damn, they got a N-word rating. That shit was funny.
Yeah, I saw that joint, too. Bro, but hopefully if they do it right, I will fuck with this movie. But like,
they just need to do a whole fucking story, like cover everything, and make sure that
how long is it supposed to be?
Huh?
How long is the movie supposed to be?
Then I don't see anything about that.
I'm
like,
gonna check.
They just need to follow the good origin story because apparently Joker's had quite a few of them. But if you follow the good one, then we chillin', and the actor better be on point. What's it say?
2 hours and 2 minutes.
All right.
That should be good amount of time.
How long was Endgame?
Probably like 2 hours and 30.
I think like 3 hours.
Oh nah, yeah.
What?
Don't talk about that, but that ain't it. That ain't it, man. Don't keep that on locks. But that ain't it.
That's what you be doing now?
Fuck no.
That's what you be doing now?
Fuck no. But yeah. Hopefully, in the 2 hours and 2 minutes that this movie lasts, I hope that it's good, yo. Because, like, I want to fuck with it. I saw it at first hand. I was like, hey, I'm going to fuck with it. But then...
Alright, I'm going to fuck with you.
Chill. But now I'm just like, I don't know.
With how the DCU track record has been in the few past movies, except for Aquaman.
Hey, Shazam was good, too.
Shazam was... I didn't watch it, actually.
I watched that shit. It was good.
Yeah. I just know that, like, besides
Wonder
that,
Woman was
like,
good, too.
Justice League was bad.
Yeah, Justice League.
Wonder Woman apparently was mid.
Nah, that shit was good.
People was talking about it was mid.
They some bitch niggas, because Wonder Woman was good.
What else is ass? Superman versus Batman was...
It was like... It
was okay.
They honeypotted us.
Yeah, they really
Thought we
did.
were coming for something, and then... Alright, fuck it, Doomsday.
Yeah. The Flash. Did they release a Flash movie recently, or am I just tripping? No, I was about to say they fucked they fucked up the Flash in Justice League.
Yeah, no Flash movie.
But if you think about it, compared to like MCU, like MCU been on their top 8
MCU
game.
be throwing hits. They just be like, bow, bow, bow. Like, it's just
hit after hit, and like DCU, you might have like a good one like every other one.
Yeah.
So get your shit up.
That's what I'm saying. Like, DCU be fucking up, but they gonna work on it.
Yeah. Any closing remarks, bro?
Honestly, closing remarks. Hey, follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You know, y'all already know what the Instagram and Twitter is. You know what I'm saying? You could really bring up a clip from like one of the older podcasts. Really, fuck.
Nah, I'm not about to do that,
Hey,
bitch.
well, all right.
Instagram,
all right.
I got you. I'm gonna speak for you real quick.
You already got it.
Yeah.
You want to say
His
it now?
Instagram is ROMERO ASL, the Twitter. I forgot your Twitter. Isn't it like RV? No.
ROMERO.
MVSIC. There we go.
Yeah.
Shit.
What's your shit, nigga?
Hispanic phenom on both of them. I'm simple. I don't need none of that fuck shit. Just straight up Hispanic phenom with a PH. Not enough.
Shut your bitch ass up. Niggas be stealing my ads.
For real?
Yes.
I just came up with some original, and I kept it.
My shit original.
Well, like I'm talking about like nobody would think of it type shit. Cause it's
I came up with that shit.
Yeah, but if you think about it, Romero is like a very popular name in like Spanish culture.
That's like the common Mexican last name.
That's like saying that your name's fucking Juan type shit, like Jose. Jose.
Juan Tonito. Nigga not even get Juan 22. There's probably like Juan Million.
Yeah.
Yo, you get it? 1 million. 1 million.
I get it. But yeah, follow us on social media. Make sure that you're subscribed on all platforms and leave a review.
Keep fucking with us, yo, because we could get some sponsors and like we can get y'all some. We can get y'all some.
We can get y'all some discounts and shit.
That's what I'm saying. Some beautiful ass discounts. You could get you some Groupons, take your honey out, you know, and live your beautiful life. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we can get y'all some discounts. So if anybody wants to sponsor us, hit me up in the DMs.
Yo, hit us up, Blue Chew Pill. You know, sexual performance drugs. You know.
You want some fucking off-brand Viagra, bro?
I don't know. I heard them joints. I'm trying to be like that nigga Ben 10 when he turned into that diamond nigga.
That's what you want him to look like?
What? What?
I'm trying to hit your lungs.
What?
If you know, you know.
Nah. Whoop, whoop.
Come on, stop talking.
Whoop.
They're currently fighting over a jewel right now.
Huh?
Or a fool, I'm sorry.
Whoop.
A fake jewel.
Whoop. Huh?
But yeah, make sure that you leave a review.
Catch your neck.
Leave a comment on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
If
Fuck
anyway,
with us on YouTube. Repost, share this shit with your whole family for real. Tis the season to be jolly, nigga. Send
yeah, it's
this
about to be
shit out.
Christmas if you really think about it, because you're basically by the time I post this, it's September now.
Yo, fucking Thanksgiving is about to be so hard. I'm about to eat. I just thought about
I'm
that.
excited for Black Friday, bitch. I'm about to cop a TV.
Nigga, I'm excited for Thanksgiving. I'm about to eat.
I don't do Thanksgiving. I'm Hispanic. I just go to other people's houses for Thanksgiving type shit.
Nah, I just eat with my family.
I don't. Nah, my family Hispanic. We don't do that
They
shit.
don't eat.
I mean, we don't eat on Thanksgiving like regular Thanksgiving food. We be eating like tortillas and shit.
Nah, we be eating like jerk chicken and shit because, you know, we got the Jamaicans in here.
Yeah, but we don't be celebrating Thanksgiving like that.
You built like Thanksgiving. Yo, that shit stupid as fuck. Yeah. That fish about to die, nigga.
All right, y'all.
All right, y'all.
Fucks with us.
Fox with me.